Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
We were so excited to get our new Sony camera, and then I realized that a lot of these videos got filmed in slow motion for some reason. This is me speeding Hannah up, but if I don't speed her up, she moves like this. So a lot of these videos I couldn't even use. But we are going on a road trip at 3:30 in the morning. We started out by listening to none other than the Queens themselves with Crime Junkie, and going to Indiana, you just have to listen to it. Another really great thing about Indiana is I can actually practice flying the drone. I don't get to practice it a lot in St. Louis, or I just don't. So this kind of gives me free range to try new things and to see what's out there. This is me flying it from Hannah's mom's house, waving. Because I listen to Crime Junkie, of course I'm over here recording these fields saying there's crop circles and trying to prove it to everybody, but here we go. I promise not all of these videos are in slow motion, but these boys were so cute bouncing around.
Abby!
They forgot to plug the punch bowl.
What'd you say?
Is that an Indiana thing? Because we don't eat those. That's rabbit food. It's still cute in slow motion. We can see. Then if I turn it this way, you can see you.
Alright, I'm going outside. It's too hot.
Can you see you?
Somebody has to stay inside.
I said America. Go rack in the back.
Here. Go. Get in, Big Judy. Here.
Is it on? Whoa! Oh my god, you could just lay here. Hannah! That's Charlie! Good job! Come on in, Desi, get up! Come on! Can you touch the top? Ready? My vomit. Okay, wait. You missed too. No, I didn't. I hit it. We lied. Come on, vomit. Don't vomit. Show me your flip. Oh shit. No, oh!
But eat that, Charlie.
Here, hang on. We're gonna sing to her. Now eat it.
But eat that.
Somebody start singing that's not me.
Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Maverick. Happy birthday to you. I can see your head's in the way. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! What's your goat?
And they're moving in there. And I think that was her paint.
Tell me one good thing that happened today.
Got to be with you.